Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Mentorship Corner. If you are joining us for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so that you can join the Mentorship Corner family. To my Mentorship Corner family, thank you so much guys for your continuous love and support. If you haven't subscribed, I repeat, please guys, subscribe. This is actually going to help us grow as a channel. And yeah, so next year June we are pushing to actually reach our first 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully by the end of the year get the channel monetized. So please support us, subscribe, share with your friends who subscribe. Subscribing is free guys. You don't pay any extra fee to subscribe to the channel, so just click the subscribe button and then like our video, and of course comment to engage with us. Welcome to another episode. This is actually my second last video for the year. Today we are doing our yearly review or yearly reflection, whatever you want to call it, but we call it here our yearly review. So we're gonna start with our traditional review route, which is reviewing our goals, reviewing our action plan, and then deciding what's going to be our next step. Today though, we're not going to decide what's going to be our next step because it's the festive season. So I take a break for the festive season. It's the 1 month where I don't really do any actual work. I take a break from YouTube, and then in January we are going to do our goal setting for year 2023. But I just feel it's important to wrap up your year, reflect, so that you know what you did this year, and then you have an idea of what needs to be done the following year. It is up to you. You may decide that you would like to review your action plan and reset goals for the new year now. That is totally up to you, but I'm not going to do it on this video today. Today we are adding something new to the channel, to the yearly review video. I am adding a worksheet. So the worksheet you will be able to access. You just basically have to add it to your cart on the link down below on our WhatsApp catalog, and then I will gladly send it through to you. It is free. It's one product that we're offering at no charge to our customers, and that's just to motivate you guys to do your yearly review so that you can see where you are with your goals and basically your life's plan. Where are you? What needs to be done? What needs to be rectified? So without wasting any further time, let's start with our goals review. So first things first, let's review our goals. So at the beginning of the year, I did a full video on how to set your goals in the 8 important areas of your life. The reason that I highlight all the 8 important areas of your life is because I want you to set holistic goals that would ensure that you are living a purposeful and fulfilling life holistically, not just for your career and not just in your love life or not just in your family life, but overall you are living a more fulfilled and happy life. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pull out your goals that we set at the beginning of the year, and then tick off all the ones that you have achieved. So remember, during the course of the year we did do our mid goal check-in, our quarterly goals check-in. So obviously there you did make a few adjustments there and there wherever they were needed. I need you to pull out the last edit or the last check-in on your goals, and then tick off all the ones that you have been able to achieve thus far, and then leave all the ones that you were not able to achieve. What you can then do is you can write down the goals that you were not able to achieve, and then maybe on the side add a reason why you were not able to achieve it. The reason could be anything from you didn't have the capacity to do it, to the goal just doesn't make sense for you anymore at this point in your life. That is going to be totally up to you. So that's what you need to do now. So tick off all your goals from your goal sheet, and then on the side of the goals, not on the side, tick off all the goals that you did achieve, and then write down all the ones that you did not achieve, and then on each side next to each goal write down the reason why you were not able to achieve that particular goal. The next thing you want to do is, remember we said goals and then we write out an action plan to work on our goals. So you want to then review your action plan. So first, scratch out all the planning that you have for the goals that you have already achieved. So the ones that you ticked off, go ahead and tick off the action plan, and then the ones that you did not achieve, review your action plan and then decide if you would like to readjust it or it's still fine for you to work on next year. So that's like the two important things that you need to do. The reason why reflection is important is basically it allows you to see perspective in your work. So then you're able to see what have you done, what have you not done, why haven't you not done it, and basically where can you improve. There's always room for improvement, so review that and see where you can improve. So personally, what I'm gonna do then after is I'm just gonna write down all the goals I did not achieve and the reasons why I did not achieve them, and then I'll put them on the side and I'll park them. And then next year in January, beginning of the year, I'm going to then review those and then accompany them with my goals for the following year, which is next year, and then I'll start working out an action plan for year 2023. All right, so now we're just doing a quick, let's do a year in review for the Mentorship Corner, which I think this year has been one of our most productive year as a channel. We've grown a lot. Our subscribers now, I think we're sitting at about 317 subscribers, which is not too bad at all. It's a lot of growth, and I'm super proud of the work that we've been able to put into the channel this year. So three things, I've got three highlights for the Mentorship Corner this year. The first one is basically we introduced vlogs, and you guys seem to actually enjoy our vlogs. So we introduced vlogs, which allowed for a better interaction with the founder, myself, and the viewers. And I feel like adding that personal touch in the content that I create helped to retain our viewers and helped to just grow us as a channel, because it's not all information, educating, but I also let you guys in a little bit into my personal life so that you can see how I actually live out all the things that I teach you guys on my channel. So that has been great. I am planning to continue with the vlogs next year, but I'll see how basically the content planning for the following year is going to be looking like for the Mentorship Corner. The next thing that was a big highlight for the Mentorship Corner is that we introduced our first line of merchandise. So if you guys remember, in October we launched our first 4-day self-development course called Journey to Me, which is basically a 4-day course, self-paced, that encourages you to love yourself, to discover and learn more about yourself, to journal and do gratitude journaling, and then it also encourages you to build sustainable routines for you and your family. This course, the aim is to encourage you to love yourself and to put yourself first, and also to set a tone for basically the life that you want to live, to just remind you that, hey, these are actually the things that are important to you, and this is what you can potentially do to achieve those things. Next year I am planning to advance the course and basically update it. I'll see when I'm going to launch the updated course. Generally the self-love month is October because it's my birthday month, but I realized with the course launching in October, it was a bit hard for me to celebrate my birthday freely because I had coursework and merch and orders to send out. So maybe next year we'll launch the updated course maybe earlier in the year so that you guys can use it better. So the third thing that was a big highlight for us is basically the channel growth. I actually forgot to write down the subscribers for at the beginning of the year and now, but the channel has grown a lot, like a lot. You guys are watching the content, you're commenting on the content, you are liking the content, sharing the content, and it's just been an amazing journey. And I'm praying that next year we will continue to push, be productive, and as I said, the aim is to grow the channel to reach 1,000 subscribers by June next year. So if you know that friend of yours who would love our content, please don't forget to ask them to subscribe to our channel and to check out some of our videos. So the last part of this video is basically our yearly review worksheet. So I'm gonna show you guys the worksheet. It's gonna come up on the screen, but I just need you to just listen to what I have to say about the worksheet. I'm basically gonna just highlight what's on the worksheet and what you need to do with the worksheet. First, the worksheet is free. It's a 1-page. You can print it out or fill it out on your Google Sheets. It's totally up to you, so that's up to you. But basically the worksheet is free. We are not charging for the yearly review worksheet, so all of you guys should actually be getting one ideally, and then you should be filling it in to review and reflect on your year 2022. The first thing that's on the worksheet is basically you are going to have to fill in your top 5 accomplishments for year 2025. Oh my gosh, 25, guys. Pause. Next. Okay, so basically you're gonna have to fill in your top 5 accomplishments for the year 2022. The next prompt is basically, what did I do well in 2022? So these are prompts that will allow you to do a holistic and a thorough review of your year, right? So what did I do well this year, basically? The third one is what I need to improve. So what did you do that you feel like you didn't do so well? What needs to be improved in 2023? Basically, what has been your biggest lessons in 2022? Then you'll write those down. Then you'll write things that you are grateful for in 2022. And then the hardest thing about this year was, so you'll then list the one or 2 or 3 things that have been the hardest for you about 2022. The next one is, how can next year be better for me, right? Then that's like the last one. So how can you make 2023 a better year for you? So the worksheet is available for free on our WhatsApp catalog. Basically all you need to do is click on the link down below to follow to our WhatsApp catalog, and then click on the worksheet to add it into your cart, and then I will send it through to you. We also have some of our other products available on our catalog. If you would like to order, just click on the product, oh my gosh, just click on the product that you would like to add onto the cart, and then I will gladly assist you on that. I do recommend that you actually print out the worksheet and fill it out physically. I just feel like writing something out physically, it registers it better in your brain, and it allows you some time to allow it to sink in and to get absorbed into your system a bit better. That's just my preference. That's just my opinion about it. You can do it however way you like. So that's it from the Mentorship Corner. Before you leave, please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course please don't forget to subscribe so that you can help us to grow on YouTube. I love you guys absolutely a lot. I will see you guys next week Sunday for our last video of the year. I am going to post a vlog in December. I will tell you on the last video why I'm going to post the video in December. I'm super excited. So yeah, see you on the last video. Love you guys.